Hello, my name is Wassim and I'm the co-founder and CEO for Verofax Limited. We've set up in UAE to deliver traceability as a service to businesses. Traceability addresses a major problem, which is the counterfeit and tampering of the product, be it in the last mile of delivery or be it, from the outset in factories. And this has implications on human lives as well as implication on lost revenues of the brand owners. And this is where we're coming to play and to add value to the manufacturers as well as the retailers or the brand owners and the consumers in the end. And we do that by improving the sales by 30% and or reduce the returns and as well as the complaints by about 32%, as evidence in many countries where traceability as a service has been already implemented. COVID-19 has brought to us new realities, which is showing us that we need to ensure that the safety of people that are rated as more vulnerable is actually very well protected. And we do that by verifying the last mile of delivery is done in a way that is sanitized and safe for the patient that are receiving those medications. And this is what we set out to deliver, which is we have patented a solution for the last mile of delivery while validating the ID of the user when he's receiving it. This box is locked by the pharmacy or the sender of the product and cannot be tampered with in between. It has an IoT sensors which allows also for tracking temperature, heat load, and so on and so forth. We also have our QR code and NFC tag, which allows us to trace the product from its origins or down to the consumer and allow for the engagement even beyond. That all turns into a very rich analytics dashboard while maintaining the privacy, GDPR, HIPAA, and all the local privacy requirements, and delivering a lot of added value on engaging with the end user on the inventory management, but also on the order management. We've been lucky to be selected for the traceability in the last mile of delivery, specifically for medicine in partnership with Department of Health. And we are currently executing that model by setting up our store, which will be a marketplace for all pharmacies to participate in and have that compliant delivery to the patient, and then later on engage with them and collect feedback, or allow even the patient to chat to their doctors or pharmacists and give them some feedback on the treatment. In summary, we're happy to be delivering a product that really delivers vitality in the UAE and addresses the risks of COVID-19 in this country. Our business model is quite healthy and would be more than happy to share some insight with you. The sales channels that we have already signed up are Microsoft, Oracle, Ingram Micro, as well as Ant Finance, and these give us access to about over 1 million client and over 100,000 reseller around the world. We have an aggressive plan to launch in UAE in 2020 and then sign up 2 countries where we have licensee and a JV aligned, and then launch in Malaysia and Saudi in 2021. As founders, we have over 20 years of experience between the 2 of us. We've received several awards and recognitions, grants in the last 2 years where we've been ramping up our solution. And we would look forward to have you on board of our company and bring traceability and the benefit that it brings to the world. Thank you so much for your time.